this is Ryan Cooley. I'm going to take you through the process of configuring the Auth0 package for ProcessMaker 4.2. You can see I'm here on the admin settings page under the SSO tab. I'm going to click on Auth0. It's going to give us a new tab at the top here with 4 different configuration options. So it has the callback URL, the client ID, the client secret, and the domain. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into my Auth0 application details. You can see here it has 3 of those options right at the top. So let's go ahead and copy the domain. I'm going to click on the edit button here, paste it in. There we go, it saves that for us. Now I'm going to get the client ID, paste that in, and finally the client secret. So I'm going to copy over and paste here. There we go. Now, we have this option at the top here that's read-only. That means I'm going to copy it to the clipboard and I'm going to find a place to put it in the Auth0 settings. Now you'll see it's not at the top here, but if I scroll all the way down to here, it's under allowed callback URLs. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my callback URL. And then down here, I'm going to save those changes. Now we've configured our Auth0 package. So I'm going to go back to the login screen. You'll see it has now given us an Auth0 option. I'm going to click on that. It's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. You can see it's now redirected me back to the ProcessMaker screen. It's created a whole new account for me. If I go back to the admin settings, you'll see it has created that account under my name, taken all my information from Auth0 via Google, and put it into ProcessMaker 4.2.